My name is Katie Mulry and I want to be an astronaut. Ever since I was little, I've looked at the stars and have been fascinated by the universe. I decided when I was 7 that I wanted to fly to space, but after learning about the Challenger tragedy, I changed my mind. However, my freshman year in high school, I rediscovered my love for space. I realized that my childhood dream was still my dream, and that I believed that exploration was worth the risks associated with it. I began researching the steps I would need to take to one day become an astronaut, and I realized that I would need a degree in a STEM field. However, I didn't know which field to study in. Recently, Scott Kelly was speaking at a university in my hometown of Dallas, Texas, and I got the opportunity to ask him for his advice.
Pick the thing you like. Don't pick the thing, don't become a pilot if you're not interested in being a pilot. Don't do that because I'm up here talking to you. If you want to be, a chemist or a doctor, do that, because if you like it, you're going to do better at it. And we spend a lot of our lives at work.
Now I'm on a journey to discover what career I want to pursue, which is why I'm interested in becoming a STEM intern. I'm really interested in learning more about aerospace engineering and in potentially designing systems that will allow people to return to the moon and walk on Mars. I think it's fascinating to learn how those machines work and how people can use the physics of our everyday world to explore the universe. I'm also really interested in astronomy and physics too, and just learning about the physical interactions that shape our world and our universe. I'm currently in NASA's High School Aerospace Scholars Program, and I'm learning about each of these fields. One of my favorite activities that we did was picking a Mars landing site for a first manned mission. I would love to advance manned spaceflight and mankind's knowledge of the universe in any way that I can, and I think that being a STEM intern would be a great way to discover the best path for me to take to do that. Currently, I've been taking steps in high school to reach my eventual goal of becoming an astronaut. I've started self-studying Russian, and there was actually a summer where I taught myself their alphabet by going on Quizlet and answering flashcards until I learned how to spell correctly. I'm in 4 AP classes this year, including AP Physics 1. And recently I started a physics study club. I realized that a lot of my classmates were struggling with the material, so once a week I teach classes where we review some of the concepts we've covered in class. I'm currently ranked 3rd in a class of over 500 students, and last semester my GPA was approximately a 106. Last year I was on my school's UIL science competition team, and I'm on that team again this year. In addition, I run on my school's cross-country team, play cello in our top orchestra, and am an officer in orchestra and our Cultural and International Awareness Club. I'm a member of National Honor Society, Spanish Honor Society, Science National Honor Society, and UNICEF Club. And I also volunteer frequently with my church and participate in our youth ministry program. I also love reading and creative writing, and I actually just published my first novel. I think that being a NASA STEM intern would be an exciting and fascinating summer opportunity. I would love to get experience now in a field I hope to pursue one day and to make real contributions in that field even as a high school student. I know that I will learn so much in this program, and I'm so excited to see what I can discover. Thank you for considering me as a 2018 NASA STEM intern, and I hope to see you in July.